Welcome back to Web API Tutorials. I'm Venkat. In the previous video, we have seen what are all the algorithms we can use while generating the JWT signature. And in this video, we have to know about JWT.io. So when you are working with JWT tokens, it is important to know about JWT.io website. This is the JWT.io website. You can type JWT.io in your browser and press enter. You will see this website loaded. This is the website. You can just scroll up a little bit. You can see a JWT debugger. Here you can see there is a sample JWT token entered in the left side box encoded. And right side you can see the decoded part of the token. You can see header is decoded and this is the contents, and the payload also decoded and this is the contents of that payload. And you can verify your signature is valid or not in this section. Okay, so you will be having private key with you, right? In your web API project, you can copy that private key and you can paste it here, and here you can see whether the signature is valid or not. Okay, so that's how you can validate the JWT token using the JWT.io website. You might have one question here. Is JWT token secure, as we can see all the contents of it, right? So what is the use of encrypting it? So when we are generating the signature using this algorithm, so whatever the algorithm we mentioned here, when we are generating the signature using this algorithm, using this signature, we can verify whether JWT token is tampered or not. It is valid or not. Okay. So this signature will not stop you decoding this and reading the contents. Okay. So this signature will be used to verify whether your signature is valid or not, tampered or not. Okay. So if you are thinking that if we generate the signature and put it in a JWT token, so nobody can read our data. So that's not true. So anybody can read this data like this. You can see these are the contents of header and this is the contents of payload, and here you can verify the signature. So using the signature, your server will validate whether this token is tampered or not, it is valid or not. Okay, so that is enough to proceed further or reject the request, right? So this is one thing important. And here you can see there is a free handbook. It is giving as a download, free download. You can download it. So I am preparing all these videos from this book. So this book has a lot of content. And also one more, we have in the previous video, we have discussed all the algorithms it is supporting. Here are the algorithms you can see. HS256, 384, 512 and RS256, 384, 512 and ES and PS. You can see we have seen all these algorithms in the previous video. So all these algorithms, how it work and what is the encryption mechanism, all that is explained very well in this book. You can download it for free. And this is the token for 512 algorithm. You can see if you use 512 algorithm, so this is the token generated. And you can see this one 384 bit, using 384 bit, this is the token generated. So like this you can use any of these algorithms. Okay, you can also see the libraries. So these are all the libraries for different programming languages for .NET, C, C++, all that. So if you want to ask any questions, you can ask here. And introduction, so you can see the documentation and you can read all this. I can say this is very good website for beginners. If you are starting with JWT tokens, please go through it. For more videos like this, Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.